Stay in the loop with Rocket Matter's MatterStream. Towards the top of your Matter dashboard, you will notice an area dedicated to updating you on the recent activity of your matters. Items that appear in the MatterStream are new tasks, new events, and all billable entries. You can even post messages in the MatterStream yourself. This way, you can communicate with your coworkers and those who are actively working on the matter with you. Stay in the loop with Rocket Matter's MatterStream.
For more information, contact a member of our award-winning support team today at 888-432-1529.